Hey guys, good evening. So here I am again with another 10 set of questions. So without wasting any time, the 71st question is on your screen. So guys, if you want to know my pattern and what are all the briefings, so you can go back to my previous videos. It will help you out that if you are new to my channel. So these are the patterns. So whatever pattern I'm following, that is already mentioned in my previous videos. So I'm not just going to repeat again here. Okay, so second part of this question. So guys, you can see there, like I was always mentioned, these are some of the lengthy questions, but these are the previous year question paper or questions of some major exams. So please make sure you are not going to miss these questions as well. Okay, so 71st. Again, I am providing you the in part questions. So another half is before your screen, guys. Okay. So this is another set of question. I will be providing you course in another half. Okay. Okay. So another question. So I will be providing you two questions side by side. Okay. So 75th question. Okay, guys. So 76th question is on your screen. So guys, we are moving towards our last set of questions. Okay, guys. So these are all the 10 question and any guys, any query, suggestion, feedback, or any kind of thoughts, you can please message me over to that. I'm happy to help you out, guys. Till then, guys, take care. Bye bye.